Shall we move ahead or wait here? Saving? Yes. Okay. They replied, no one has replied here. Only one or two said something, but other are just silent. So we can't.
Sir, one question in this. When we are adding product, if we want the field to be clear after addition, what change do we need to do in this?
I have given many examples. How to clear the text box?
अच्छा value should become equal to हाँ ठीक है okay value will be equal to name price okay
Update name will come here. Variable will come here. Empty will happen. And respect to this function, what is the variable? Name. Name we need to call here for the text box as a value property. Value equal to name.
understood okay
So now it will become clear. Okay. Next, after logout, see the functionality from one side. In home page, the product whichever you have added, it is coming, but it should be in descending order. The newly added products should come on the top. Okay, so open the home.js file in user folder. Home.js file in user folder and go to the function called get home, get product. Get product. Mm-hmm. Product array dot reverse. Here. Dot reverse. REVERS reverse. Okay, last is coming on the top. So in home page, search is happening, pagination is left, we'll do now. And then the cart is happening here, all seller login, seller registration. Then after login, your dashboard become dynamic. This list is coming. Delete functionality you can try from your side, that you know. Add product is happening, order list is coming, logout is happening. So in admin portion, everything is ready. Then one functionality we have to do under the home like under the public view. Pagination we need to add, and when you come to the add to cart, here we need to apply the validation. If the fields are empty, it should not place the order. It should display some message here. Following input field are invalid. Okay, that will do. So first we complete this pagination part. Okay, pagination. In the last there should be page number 1, 2, 3. We can click and we can go to the next pages. So for that you have to log in the Zoom. Everyone need to log in because the code will be little long code. I need to share it.
Sir,
tell me, sir.
When we sort something and does not found anything, that don't show anything, that's just blank page. So we can add that no sort found.
Come again, from beginning.
Sort something that not found in the list.
Here.
Huh.
Okay.
Then the blank page is found. That we can add that no sorts
You
found.
can try something. आप भी तो कुछ करो ना. You can also do something, right? Correct or not? You can also try something from your side. Everything is added by me only. No? This all is developed by me. Now you should involve your some activity. Find out on internet. Do some changes. Create a footer in that. Footer I have not added. You should create a very good footer in that. The link you have added on the top, add the link in the bottom also. Apply some creativity. Okay, major functionality I will add now. Remaining, if you find any bug, try from your side also. Try fixing where you can. Okay, so log in everyone. You need to log in the Zoom for some time. Pagination code even I don't have remember. I will also copy this from other project code so that you need to log in the Zoom so that you can make so. Login happen? I will send in the group. Link I will send in the group. You can log in from there. Anyone have? Just post in the group once. Not in mobile. Laptop you have to log in. Laptop you have to. No, he's trying to log in the mobile. Log in the laptop. Open that link in the laptop. Okay, login. So let's come to the home file at the end of the page. The row is end, container is also end. Within the section only. Within the section only at last. Okay. We will write in the last. From previous project where I have added. Let me see. Should be somewhere home page or some other page. Yeah. This is the per page. React PageNet. So let's install this first one. We can go to the terminal project. Go to the subject project. Volume 0 and volume 0. Go to the project folder, terminal, new terminal. New terminal should point to the login folder. Then write there npm install. Now we make volume 0. Mute your system. Then write this npm install React PageNet. npm install React PageNet. npm install React PageNet. Installation done. npm install React minus PageNet. After that, go to the home.js file. In home.js file, in beginning, import React PageNet. React PageNet. From React PageNet. Okay, important. Now come down. Before return, I will share some code. We need to add it. Before return, these few lines are there. Let's add it. It came to your chat. Before return, we need to add it. Before return, you add it. Before return, you need to add it. and array name is all product. We have to change here. Before return paste it, and this array name product list is written. Product list array you have to replace with all product. Replace this variable. Product list will be there. Replace with the all product. Okay, all product dot length added. So this is what is going to happen. There is some calculation in that. Per page 4 means every page it will display 4 record. After that, current page. Current page is nothing but we have made a variable here that's set by default to 0. So current page into per page. So it will count current page will be nothing but current page into per page. Current page is coming from here and update current page on change. Okay. Okay, let's come down below once. After adding this setup code, we will go to the again end of the page. End of the page. This point we have to add. So the if condition we have already added. We need to add this much. Array dot slice offset per page before map. Before map, between array and map, we need to add this much. Between array and map, we need to add this much. I will share in the chat once. That code came in chat. You can take it. And that code you are going to place here before map. All product.map we have written. Before map, we need to add and then dot before. Something like this. Yes. Okay, hope I did. Now let us look into the page. How many records is showing for you? It should display only 4 records. Only 4 records. Because per page is written there 4. Per page is written called 4, so 4 records are coming. Pagination link should be there in the bottom. There on click, it should go to the next pages. Okay, so only 4 records for everyone. Come next. After the map function, before closing the section tag, we need to add some other set of code. That code will be big code actually. This complete code I shared you in the chat. You can take that code and add here before closing the section tag. Before closing the section tag, you can add it.
So scroll little bit up or down.
It is before closing of section tab. That section tab closing before that.
And sir, one doubt. So scroll up one place where we added the code here. This all
Yes.
product slice that we have added, that is opening one curly bracket. That curly bracket where it will close.
No, there is no curly bracket in today code. In today, just the code I have given in that it's added from here, from slice onwards.
Okay, only slice
much.
had to be added. Okay.
Slice inside off page, offset, per page, some calculation in there.
Okay.
Then it look like this. In the bottom, two link will come. Changing. But code is little complicated. That is written by someone who the people who developed the React PageNet, who wrote, they have written. So for integration purpose, we need to follow the system. Installation plus that sample code. Number of pages depend on the items. If you have a lot of items, then the number of buttons will get increased here. Like only 2 page we have, so 2 buttons are coming. If there will be 20 pages, 20 items, then 4 buttons will come here. And after that, dot will come after 5. Right. So you can also create one footer after this so that the page will be little more valuable. Length will get increased. The pagination is coming. After pagination, we can add a footer section. So working here, coming or not coming? Coming. So you can go to the page after end of the pagination before closing the section tag. Before closing the section tag, you can use one footer inside. And under the footer, open web application, backend with json-server. API. Can add something. We can write some CSS in that. Okay, so footer is coming in the last. In Bootstrap, we have so many CSS, classes, class name, bg hyphen primary you can keep, p-5 you can keep, mt5 you can keep, text-white you can add, text-center you can add. So it will make just like the last section of the page. Ready? Footer is coming. Next work will be in cart page. When we are placing the order, it should validate first. Name should not be empty. Mobile number should match the pattern. Email ID should match the pattern. Address must be there. If all are fine, fill, then only it should go, else it will display a message invalid name, invalid something. Okay, so come to the cart page. In cart page, the save button we have, directly it's taking the customer details and product details and it is placing order. Correct, no? Save button. So in that now we need to apply the condition. If all the details are filled properly, then only this save should happen, else it will display message. Okay, so in the cart page, now write a variable, let, you can write a comment here for validation. Okay, write a variable, let name error, update name error, use state empty, use state as a empty. Next, after that, mobile error, email error, address error, name error, mobile error, email error, then next call address error. Address error, update name error, update mobile error, update email error, update address error. Okay, so work done till here. Come down below. Name error, mobile error, email error, address error. We have to print in the bottom. So this one I am sharing in the chat as well. This is the variable to display the error message. This is the variable to display the error message. Okay. Now name error you will display after the name text box. After the name text box, customer name, I tag open close, or a small tag open close, a small tag. In that you print the name error. Write there class equal to text danger, red color. Same pattern will follow in all text boxes. And same thing we will print after the mobile as a mobile error. Mobile error. Next you can print below email error. Next we can print below address error. Okay, so hope wrote everywhere. Come next. Will not display any error now. Once we click on submit button, we will validate it. Then we will display the error. So go inside the save function. Under the save function, create a variable called let form status equal to true. Form status equal to true. We are creating a variable. That variable is holding by default as a true. Okay. That variable is holding by default as a true. Next, below you write a condition if form status triple equal to true. Form status triple equal to true. Then curly bracket will open. will open and in the last the curly bracket will be closed. So if everything is filled properly, the form status will be true that we are considering. If everything is filled properly, then form status, what is the default? True. If all the inputs are filled properly, then also the form status will be true only. Okay, if anything is filled, unfilled, then it will become a false. So first to add this condition, if the form status is true, then only this should happen. Which one? The order should get placed. Okay. Else alert swal input error. Right call. Please enter customer details. Comma warning. Please enter customer details, comma warning. Please enter customer details. Written. Now what is the form status? True or false? True. Where it will go? It will go to the saving the data. Now if you click on submit button, what is the form status? True. We are checking here. If form status true, then do this one. Correct? Okay. Else, if the form status false, then display the message like something. So if the user will not enter field properly, if any of the field is missing, then form status will be false. How it will be? We are going to write the code here. So if else is written, come now. Right in the beginning, if full name, the variable, state variable, full name double equal to empty, double equal to empty, then update name error, update name error, invalid name, invalid name, else. Again we need to call the same thing. Right here just like the empty. Since it's a single line, so no need to open the curly bracket. If one condition and how many statement? Only one statement. If you have a single line statement, you don't need to open the curly bracket and close the curly bracket. So say now, if name is empty, then what will happen? Update name error. Name error will become a invalid name. Below this, it will display the message called invalid name. If you will fill then what will happen? The error will get removed. But we have to add one more line. What is that? The form status, what you have created here, it should become false. It should become a false. Now curly bracket we have to open close. See, if full name is empty, then what will happen? Form status will be false, right? And error will also display. If a full name is not empty, then what will happen? Form status will not be false. Curly bracket open close will be required. because 2-line statement happen. In that case, this will be required. Else part also let's open. Why it will look in something incomplete. Right this way. We can place here. We will check with the one field. We will check with the one field. If the form status is false, then where it will go? If the form status will be false, then where it will go? It will not go to the if part. It will go to the else part. For example, something like this. When I click here, message came, invalid name, and after that, input error, please enter customer details. It will be here, displaying the error message also. But once I will fill it and click on save button, if I fill the name and click on save button, then the form status will not be false. It will remain same as a true only. When it remains same as a true, then where it will go? It will go and it will create a. So check it first. This one you try and see. Error is displaying the page. Name you can check. Same pattern will follow the remaining other 3-4 fields. Working. Come down, go for the next one. After name we have called mobile. Okay. Come down. Now right here, again, if same way you can write, but for mobile we have to add the patterns. Okay. So let's copy and paste down and write here mobile. Mobile is empty. Then mobile update mobile error. Update mobile error. Invalid mobile number. Or make it empty. For mobile number, we have to write some pattern, alphanumeric. It should not take empty, it should not take, you can say, yes, mobile, we'll check once. First we try empty ones, empty case, we will add the pattern also. So both is happening. Error is coming. Similar way add for the email ID If email is empty, then update email error. Update email error, invalid email ID. Email ID, say invalid email. One more we can keep for address similar. Address is empty. Update address error. Invalid delivery address. Okay. Till everything is not filled, it will not take the order. Even if the array length is 0, it should not take the order. Correct? If you have not added any item in the cart, what should happen? Then also it should not take any order. Correct? Right below the last point, if array dot length is 0, all product. If all product dot length double equal to 0, then it should become an error. Just make simple, this is a false. Product dot length double equal to 0. Like there is no item in the product array. Then also it will not take the order. We cannot place the order. Okay, so working. If you fill all the details, still it will throw the error. If you fill all the details, still it will throw the error. Suppose I enter here something, anything as of now, enter, click here. Okay, this error gone, but it will not take the address. Invalid input error. Input error. Next, what should happen is mobile number should take 10 digits. Email ID should take only email ID. So for that, we have to add a pattern. Go here to the email line, mobile number line first. mobile number line. Now we need the mobile pattern as well as we need the email pattern. I have posted in this website. If you open it, let me hold. I'll send you the link directly. In firstinquiry.com/blogs. Should be in the beginning only. Here, email validation as well as mobile number validation, regular expression in JavaScript. Open here. Link I sent in the chat. We require this too. Firstinquiry.com/blog. /blog. Go to this mobile number validation and copy this line M pattern. M pattern. This M pattern represents that you can copy and paste here. Before mobile number. Before mobile number, you keep it. Okay. It represents that. Got the URL? Open this website. No, firstinquiry.com. You can search firstinquiry.com and then go to the blogs. Also, we can go to the main website and click on blogs link. Firstinquiry.com/blogs. Mobile number taken. Mobile pattern. Come now. Add here. After that, see in that. It is saying like in the beginning there is a slash and caret symbol. Slash and caret represents the starting of expression. And $slash represents the end of expression. Okay, so expression start and expression end. In between expression, first parameter you can see 0, and then one kind of condition is there. It says like your mobile number may start with a 0 or may not. Your mobile number may start with a 0 or may not. Okay. If starting with the 0, then it will include. If not starting from the 0, then no matter. But after the 0, whatever you are writing there, the number of the mobile must be starting from the either 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Okay, a starting mobile number should not be from where? 5. Any mobile number we don't have in the market. 5 series. This series is from the 6. Okay, so a starting number of mobile must be either 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Okay, /d is written in between, represent the digit. Okay, digit. Then how many? Next represent college 9. It considers 0 to 9 in the form of array. So we given the 9, so it will count as a 10. When you write as a 10, it will count for the 11. Okay. Now how to use that? Let's come down. You can write not m pattern dot test. M pattern dot test. Not m pattern dot test mobile. So mobile number, if it is not matching on this given pattern, if mobile number is not matching on this given pattern, then if the mobile number is not matching on this given pattern, then it will return false. it will not symbol is written in the beginning. Can you see not symbol? Not symbol represent like m pattern dot test mobile. If the mobile number is not matching on this pattern, then this if will execute and it will say invalid mobile. If not matching, if matching, then where it will go? It will go to the else. Okay, written not m pattern dot test. Okay, not m pattern dot test. Right? Come next one. Next, we can go to the browser and we can refresh the page. Enter here error in mobile number. Start from the 6. 6 after that write anything up to 10 digit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Mobile number error will go. If you write as a 9 digit, error will come back. If you write the 10 digit, but starting from the 5, then also error will come. See, error is coming here. If you start from the minimum 6, then this error will go. Error is gone from here. Okay, so that pattern is working proper. Enter either alphanumeric or enter less than 10. Okay, happen written. Similar we will do for the email also. Again in the same link, one more validation pattern was there for email. You can click this and open this, copy this link complete. Not link, you can copy that email pattern and come down and add here. Okay, again same thing we'll add. If not, ePattern dot test, not ePattern dot test, email. If email is not matching on pattern, then it's invalid email. If email is not matching on given pattern, then that will become as a invalid name. Check with the wrong email ID. Wrong email ID in the sense email ID without @ email ID without, you can say any domain name, directly XYZ you can write and then try once whether it's getting processed or it's getting failed. Error. So we can go here, enter, error is coming. Email ID, if I write anything here, it will not allow, it will say invalid. We have to give @gmail.com. If it is follow proper pattern, then only it will allow. You can fill everything, add one item in the cart, and then check once happening or not. Coming Saturday, you can come for the GitHub class. One person will be there Saturday and Sunday, or maybe Saturday 3 hours he will sit, and or maybe 2.5 hours, and he will guide you for the GitHub. Okay, GitHub, one other person will take, he will teach you Saturday. Yesterday he was available, but it was skipped from mind. Saturday we can call him, he will cover GitHub class. 2 hours will be sufficient, 2 or 3 hours maximum. Okay, so go to the home file and add 1 or 2 items in the cart. Go to the cart page, try placing the order, it will not allow. Then enter your details. Okay, all details are given. First, I'll try to match the mobile number. Click on submit button. Everything is correct, but mobile number is not there, so it's not allowed to place the order. I will enter the mobile number and then I'll click here. The order ID is this, and order has been placed. This text box also you can create after placing the order. Check once order is getting placed or not. After validating everything, if item is available in the cart and you have given all the details, then order should get placed. Saving order is getting placed. Okay, so this all is done. Next work is pending call. Product is ready, project is ready, all from the back end to front end. Next, we can create a build, and without React, we can see how we can make this project functional. As of now, this is running on React environment. You have done the npm start, but without npm start, how we can run? That we need to see now. So this server, JSON server is a backend. JSON server is a backend. It must be running every time. If the JSON server will be stopped, then data will not come. JSON server is a backend, it should be running. Okay, whether you are going through the. I mute him, he will get unmute. Suresh, can you please off your mic? or you can log in after half an hour. 4:30 you can log in. Okay, so next, the project is running as of now with the help of React development environment, React development server. Without React development server, how you can run this project and what is the meaning of build? Okay, so let us come. Don't stop this server. Call it a JSON server. JSON server must be running. Okay, you have this one React server, correct? Control C, stop it. 2 times you can do Control C, it will get a stop. Control C you can do. Stop happen. After that, you can run CLS once. Screen will become clear. CLS screen will become clear. Next, after that, you can write npm run build. npm run build. So it is going to make the complete executable program of entire project. It will be very in the KB. As of now, you have node modules, that module, all is required to run the file. After running this command, one folder will generate. That folder will be in the KB. Okay, we can put on desktop and directly we run from there. Okay, so run npm run build. Enter. It may take 1 to 3 minutes. npm run build. npm run build. Something is going on like this. Creating optimized production build or completed. Completed. Okay. Wait 1 minute. Okay. So now go to the your project folder. You will find a folder called build. Build folder is there. That is the final folder. If you go inside the build folder, you can see from here also, from the VS Code, you can see a folder called build. A folder called build folder. Inside the build folder, you will find your photos which you have added. You will find one CSS folder, one static folder. There CSS folder as well as JS folder, and one more is called media. Something like this. Build, under the build, one static folder, everything of project is under the static. There, all the CSS converted into C2 CSS file, and all the JavaScript converted into this 2.3 JS file. You can click on any of the JS file, like maybe main.js file, you can click and see the code you have written, it is the same code or something else. Main.js file, see, it will be single line of code. Chunk.js file, one line. Chunk.map, see which language it is. .map will not feel like it's written by us. Something like that. This is called production build. This file will, if you give to someone else, like as a project, they want to modify, but they cannot modify. In this file, if you add a single character anywhere, this file will become corrupted and it will not work. So any changes we need, suppose your whatever we have developed, that all came under the build folder. Okay, so now when you want to do any changes in the build folder, you cannot do anything in the build folder. You have to do under the SRC. And after doing under the SRC, if working, then again you have to create the build. It will create another build folder. Their updated program will come. Okay. So this node modules, public, SRC, these all are the development code where you are developing it. For production, the build folder is for the production. The build folder has to go to the final in the server. Okay. Now your React server is stopped already. Correct? Go to the build folder. In build folder, you have one file called index.html. Click on that. In build folder, you have one file index.html. Click on that. Found. That is also single line code. This is called minified file. Minified. Entire code in single line. Okay. Why? Because if it is a multiple line, compiler will be uncomfortable. Compiler has to jump the line. If it's a single line, compiler will be in the relax, saying like, oh, everything in single line. I don't have to go to the new line. Execution will be fast. Okay. Now do the right click in this and click on format document in index file. Right click and click on where? Format document. Format document, you can see here the JS file is linked main.js file, also one main.css file. Only two files are the main file of your project. One JS file and one is called CSS file. Main.js file is holding the entire product what we develop. And the main.css file is holding all the CSS including bootstrap, font, awesome and all that we have used. Okay. So now go here. In that script SRC and href, the link, it is starting from the slash. Correct? Before a static slash is there, no? That is something wrong path. It will not work in the local computer. So remove that slash from both the line. Before a static slash was there, remove that slash. One more here then, the beginning, before logo, 3-4 lines are there starting with a slash. Remove those slash. Somewhere it will mismatch the path. Removed. Now this is the index file, correct? And index file is going to connect from where? JS file as well as CSS file. We don't have any node modules and public and SRC now. Okay. Only what we have. We have only one file index.html and remaining is a JS code. Right? If you are feeling uncomfortable, hold on. Let's go here. This file you can save. Go to the file and open folder. File and open folder. Okay. And load only the build folder. Okay. Load only the build folder. That is under the shopping project. Okay. Shopping project, you have a build folder. Open the build folder. Open only the build folder. Now we don't have project React related anything here. Now we have only the final build program that we have created. And index file is the main file. Right? Backend server is running or not? Backend server is running. Backend server should not be stopped. If backend server will stop, then data will not come. Okay. Now instead of running through React development server, we created the build. API remains same. Everything remains same. But now React is not going to. You are not going to run through React development server. You are going to run now this project through the live server. Like in JavaScript, we have gone through the live server. Okay, API call and on exact same way. So this becomes a HTML file. This becomes a HTML file. We can keep in any server and we can run. Okay, now do here. Go here, do the right click and open with the live server. In index file, do the right click and open with live server. Open with the live server. Project remains same. We have not done any npm start. Directly we are running index.html. Correct, no? You can go to the cart page, remove the item from the cart. If you have added, check your validation. Go to the home file, do the search, do the pagination, do the add to cart. You can check all the functionality. Go to the cart page, place the order, log in as admin, see everything is working or not. Place the order will also get placed because API remains same. The API what we have written, that API remain same. You can do the login as a seller. Check the dashboard is coming or not. Dashboard will come. Product list will come. You can add the item. You can see the order list. You can log out. End to end, the functionality will remain same. But now it is not running through the React. It is running directly as a live server, the build program. Okay, where in this program you cannot touch anything. You cannot change the color of this red. It will remain red only. If you want to change, then you have to go to the SRC folder. There do the change, create the build and again run from here. Please confirm also running or not. The index file, you run through the live server. So working for one person. What about others? Replied. Subhankar. Subhankar SP, you have gone somewhere? Then we have run the command. Look like he went for lunch. This command was here for many minutes, no? npm run build. Now he is asking what is the command. Okay. Okay, then my roles responsibility is over. Remaining GitHub, Saturday you can attend the class. I will update in the group. Other person is there, Sumit. He will teach you the GitHub and he will guide you how to upload,
Sir,
how to create the branches and everything, how to upload this file in the server.
hello.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, can we do crowd operation using another like databases?
I have teach CRUD operation during the class using
Any
JSON server.
without JSON server, we can add that in database or something.
For that, you have to learn the Node.js.
Okay.
You are attending the Node.js class,
No, sir.
then that is the work of backend developer.
See.
Backend language we need to know, then only we can do. No? Without knowing backend language, JSON server is sufficient. What is the problem? It's showing only one item server. Add 3 items, but it's showing only one item. There you have added 3-4 items. Add again. Or from here. That server will not work. That you have a stop now npm stop. Okay, then thank you. Video will come in the server. You can watch from there. We can log out.